Luar Kapatisi TV. Ka undi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka jingalang jong ki kedhun maper bagi riusimen ki ba im jakpo nakakam jengok kai lani ka tourism. Ki la shong jingalang kerke benekeren halor ka jingle jom ka all Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association. Dak babat bat khang ye ki kali Assam ban kit ye ki tourist. Syaki jaka jengok kai ba per ki badanang ne ka jela kam tam akathan sora. Ka jaka ka ba kring pha ye ki beriu ki banabar. Uno yalam ka Meghalaya Rural Tourism Forum uba Alan West ula ong ba ka kam tourist. Kadai ka ba thut shen tang shule bakla wiak kala thut. Lada tang iwei tayar rahmat ranru uong galathut bat katnutam ka jingpen hiari ki tourist nakali hakini ki arsni bat kani kala khata jur bhai ka tourism uskatri ka hima soara tourism committee uba rothel council ulaong bakarai balashim mentasngi kalong ban penrem ya ka KMTTA ban pha jing thoj ka sarkar bakan yakran penbait bat ka KMTTA ka jingala kala kerpat ru ya ka KMTTA ban sange no ikne ka jingle jongki bat ban pha jing tho ya ka sarkar ban penstat no ka jing pen he ya ka airport la shim ru ya ka rai bakino kinu ki ban thot ya ki tourist halenti ken mi shakhman ban island bat ken ujoru da ka ejahar persya kita ki brio
na berokat kijat kam ini al industri berfer kini ka tourism industry along very sensitive but long ketin kasi batusian ma tang bayar penjari ki turis nako awi kali mengendu ke negative impact lajur yang haji masih omor tipe dengan sedang ini asir musim ha ni trace tom jane tang ko kita ya makran aku dulu di masa tu bagi tourism industry jadi kuat long futsian ha nah tada maksa sisin ya persen AKMTTA ya kuwi sen ba siapa kinde yang mau kamu video ni yo cuma kai bertanya ni dalam berusia rumah bagi yo futsian ha but sisin berlaku maka rumon kawas new do ada konsol yang jindu jongka kamai gaji lebih beliau. Tidak ada ada terpaksa sin bal. Kenapa mengenai genuine reason of demand bal punya yo kamai lagi lokal kata na agree 100%. Dia balik yang menukam kalau usia bal yo akhir kerja kapot cukup beliau.
Hadin Bangladesh lumlang ya barok stakeholders jongka dekat tourism industry. Kabalakta hadin jong gajing pakhang nanti jong kaseng or Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association nilai lum ke ya kinosnong jong ka dong jong ka time panjo ya ka jing pensngeu panjo ya ka jing mut bat ban panjimut naki ka ke bangin le bat ka ke bangin sneu tu halo kini ke baro tinakaleng jong ka jingalang ka plalong mentasngi ka bal ya poi taki babun mut kinosnong jong ka dong jong ka time nilai sim ya ka wai karai berkata kalong kabanengkong kani kajilang kalarai bangin ai jika kubor bakum ki stakeholders jong kani ka region ni penrem ya kani ka jingle jong kani ka seng kabala pendik bagabala pentut ya kalej kawan jong turis kabar hoy nakaleng jongi ni sutu ya ka jinge ka jongki hak bede berka kamai ka kaji henry halo kan ni kabenta nakaleng jungi ngila sime karai bangin tho ya ka apil sika bo jong ka sokar baka sokar kan simkia na kabenta ban petlem ya ka jinge jong gine ki parado ki prasnam ki balong ki nosnong jong kala ka jela ka jungi bangin kilpadu sia kan ka seng banang ni sakmat kamdesu banjai dakan ni kalenti ban pentut ya kalej kawan nama kakta ya kanam kaburom jong ka jela ka jungi ban ngi kentur ya ki barada don kanu ka isu ki de banjai ka kum kalenti ringkat baki bor jong ka sokar ban nakaleng jungi kum kino sosnong bat ki bai tre ya kene kam ilong balak loy ban kesan ya kanu ka isu ka basong nia bat ka basong hok ka jongki bat haka bakadu nakaleng jungi ngilarai bangin ai ka city sagi boja ka sokal bakan pet ya baro ka jingbit jimbiang haka bede ka jingle jiwan jong turis ban ngida kerpat ka sokal ban penstet kat bala ya ki project kum ka nuksa ban penhe ya ka airport hapo umroi nama kalong ka jing bentoy ka kham kraw susu ya ki nong snong jong kan ka dong jong kan ka thain ka jong ala dami kum kan ka jinge ka baya tengku bar ki interstate transport kadauba kalong ba kum ka jela le kum ka thain rilom ka sejentia ngimdon ya ka railway station tidak kalong hakani grukom haka baki kenhon na po asam ki khang kalong ka jiru nong baka jingjap kan hapo ka jela ka jungi ngasebot ong ba karai ka bakongsan ka bangi sim hakani ka por ban benap susu kalong bangi kerpat ya ki bojo ka sokal ya ki nong snong ya ki kenhon seng balang ba phe pakin sutu ya ka jing don kam jong ka railway station na makan pensuk om ta ya ka kawan ne ya ka benta ban wanra ya ki maba mandi ban kit ya ki ma ki mata ki bami hapo kan ka state ka jongi bat kata kan long ka ka ban aibor ban pen klan ya ka yoga kot jong ka state hi barakowe sakaweru hoy ngila simya karai balada nang ni sakmat kinu ki kenhun kimi ban pentut penuit ya ki tourist ne ki nolet nawan ki bawan sakane ka dong ka thai ka jongi ngin sim da karai ka bating haka bangin mi sakmat ban khangat ya kata ka jingle ke jungki bat sakaweru ngilong kloiru ada kim snap ya ka jing kerpar ka jungi ngila ban fai daka FAR kenama ka ain kan le ya ka badan kam banjada na kanu ka jing pentut penwit ya ka sungsuk sosngan bat ya ka le kawan jong ki parasnong pathan bat jong ki tourist ibanabar jong ka jela bat kari kum ju aliang jongi kum ka kunhun ngini song bat ki expat ngin draft ya ka city bat shen la kumnu hapo sita ya bat atayo ngin le ya ka kam banyak kendu ya ki bol ki bahlol lada ka deyo chief minister landa yo minister jong ka tourism department jong ka jala ka jungi na kalin jungi ngala sime karai ba ngi kirpa ya ki mamador ki deban sange no bat ki deban lek banyak keren bagi bol ka soka ada ki don kanu ka je tungku baka jing ka baki ki ya kendu
that we people of Sora, we are welcoming everyone from all corners of the world, from Assam, from other states, to come to Meghalaya, to enjoy the natural beauty of our place and enjoy the hospitality of the Kasi people. We do not approve of anyone trying to stop the taxis from Assam to come in. We have already taken a resolution that no one will be allowed to stop the vehicles, and the government has to take action wherever anybody is trying to interrupt the flow of tourists to Sora. As the stakeholders in tourism, over a long period of time, through struggles, we have built up the flow of tourists to Sora, Cherrapunji, so that people from across the country and from abroad can come and enjoy this place. You are most welcome. All taxi drivers from Assam also are most welcome to all the points of tourist spots in Sora and other parts of Meghalaya. We, the stakeholders of tourism here, do not have any misgivings. We rather welcome you with open arms. Feel welcome and safe. The government will take action wherever they have to take action, and wherever any grievances of the association that have come to the fore, they are taking steps to resolve that. So we request the people who are wanting to travel to Sora, come confidently, happily, and you will be kept safe in our place, and we will take care of you. So the tourist flow had been affected in the last 2 months after so much of bad mouthing due to some incidents. Subsequently, the air crash in Ahmedabad and so many reports of incidents with the aircrafts, that had brought some fear psychosis maybe. There has been a drop in the flow of tourists in the last 2 months. Now for the pujas onwards, we have been having good bookings and the flow of tourists has started picking up. this is not the time for anybody to disturb that, and we are waiting to get more people during these days. Kindly keep the place as welcoming for all the tourists to come and enjoy this place.